Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to use Google Maps on a laptop or PC. We start by entering Google Maps from our browser, and then we locate ourselves in the address that we are interested in seeing. After that, we are going to click on the lower icon of the first-person view and drag it to where we want. Once we release it, we will see the view of the location as if we were there. To have a view around you, you can hold down the image and move your mouse to turn. To move around, you can click on the routes that the location shows you. You also have the option of moving directly through the different images of each step if you click on the image drop down below. Click on the one you want to visit it. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Finally, you can also hold the right click and zoom in or out with your mouse wheel to zoom in close and far. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.